New from HYDAWAY, a collapsible, insulating and portable silicone camp bowl geared to fuel your adventure and maximize your space. Unlike your adventures, space can be limited. The more you camp, the more gear you accumulate. We all know that. And the kitchen? Well, camp kits, boxes, and van storage bins tend to get cluttered fast, as traditional dinnerware is hard to unpack, stack, and store. The solution? Known for our groundbreaking drink tumblers and water bottles, we've expanded our unique offerings with the same insulating technology and portability while providing a functional, planet-friendly camp bowl that can accompany you on any adventure.
Well, we wanted to create a family of products that could keep our customers hydrated and ultimately to feed themselves while camping. We have a size and a product for almost every need, and everything packs down to less than an inch. You know, we feel like space is a terrible thing to waste, so we apply that design principle to everything we make.
The HYDAWAY Collapsible camp bowls include a 32-ounce bowl and a 12-ounce bowl or cup. The full-size bowl unfolds from 1 inch to 1 quart in seconds. Our stainless steel rim and high-quality silicone can handle the hottest dish or the coldest of coolers. The gasketed lid will help hold heat until you're ready to eat. And the thick foam sleeve helps insulate your meal while protecting your hands from hot foods.
With a family of 4 camping, there's so much clutter and there's so much to organize. These bowls just take another stress away for us.
As adventure seekers, we can count on you to bring the fun, the thrills, and your appetite. Inspiring foods, inspire experiences. Our packable camp bowls are the pinnacle of gourmet adventure dinnerware.
We need your pledge and your feedback, so check out our campaign today.
Convenience without compromise, while keeping our planet in mind. That's the HYDAWAY.